So we picked this camper up a year and a half ago. Haven't really cleaned the exterior. Was too busy getting all the systems working. And you can see the dirt. This side I did some soft scrub and came out pretty darn good. Do a little close-ups, but you know, with soft scrub, the word is scrub, and I wouldn't be Bill the Lazy Guy if I was trying to scrub everything. So we're gonna try some house wash. We'll see how that goes. All right, folks, overall, I'm very pleased with this. The soft scrub took, I don't know, 45 minutes for that one side. This was taking maybe 15 minutes a side. As you can see, looks pretty darn good. The back I had to do 2 coats, but overall very pleased.